The mindset of a champion quote. You may see me struggle, but you will never ever see me quit. See, they want to see you break down, and life will put you to the test each and every day. But what I want to know is, what's your heart like? What's your will like? What's your desire like? Do you stand up in the face of adversity, or do you crack under pressure? See, the real ones, I'm talking about the real ones. Those that reside in that 1% zone, those that reach heights that you can only imagine, those that make you feel like they're not human beings. They must be of something else. They must be cut from a different cloth, because I don't get it. Why come I can't achieve at that next level? That's because your heart, that's because your passion, that's because your will, that's because your desire is lacking. The first time life punches you in the mouth, the first time life punches you in the jaw, you stay down for the count. There's no quit in my DNA. And there should be no quit in your DNA. See, there's no quit in the DNA of those that achieve a massive amount of success. So what you waiting for, bro? What you waiting for, sis? The time is now. The moment is perfect for you to fall down and for you to rise back up and give every ounce of your being, give every ounce of your soul. I need one more rep, bro. I need one more rep, sis. Just give me one more try. Because if you quit right now, that means you have to start all over from the beginning. And you're so close. You're so close to the next level. You should be able to taste it. What you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do, sis? Right now, I'm that voice that's in your ear telling you not to quit. And understand that sweat that you drip is what's gonna help you push through when you trip and fall. And like Les Brown said, if you fall down, I hope you land on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up, and that's a fact. See, to get to your golden egg, you can never crack, because you're on your track of life, and you're running your race to get to your finish line. But the race is not just for the swift, but those that can endure. So if this represents you, say it with me. You may see me struggle, but you will never, ever, ever see me quit. Because quit is not in my DNA. This is a great day.